In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a project front page in Microsoft Word. By the end, you'll have a clean, professional cover that sets the tone for your entire document, and we'll do it using Word's built-in tools, so it's fast, consistent, and easy to update. Start by opening your document in Microsoft Word. Look toward the top of the window for the ribbon, the horizontal bar with tabs like Home, Insert, and Layout. Switch to the Insert tab. This tab is where Word keeps things you add to a document, such as pages, pictures, and headers. If you don't immediately see the Insert tab, your window might be narrow. Maximize Word or look for a small arrow that expands the ribbon. Once you're on Insert, you're in the right place to build a polished front page without manual formatting. On the Insert tab, find the Pages group near the left side and click Cover Page. This opens a gallery of ready-made designs. Each option includes coordinated fonts, colors, and layout elements aligned with Word's current theme, so you get a professional look with minimal effort. Hovering over a design gives you a quick preview of its style. Think about your audience and purpose. A minimalist cover often works best for formal reports, while a more graphic layout can be great for creative or marketing projects. When you're ready, click the design that suits your project. Your chosen cover page is inserted automatically and becomes the front page of your document. You'll see placeholder text boxes for details like title, subtitle, author, and date. Click into each placeholder and type your information. Keep the title concise and clear, and use the subtitle for context, such as a course, department, or client. If a field doesn't apply, select it and press Delete to remove it cleanly. You can refine the look by selecting text and adjusting size or alignment using the Home tab, but keep changes consistent so the design stays cohesive. If the layout includes an image area, clicking it allows you to insert a logo or relevant graphic. Use a high-resolution image for best results and ensure it contrasts well with the background. Before you finish, skim for spacing, line breaks, and any accidental extra paragraphs. A quick zoom out helps you judge balance and readability at a glance. That's all it takes to create a polished project front page in Word. With Insert, Cover Page, and a thoughtful design choice, you're ready to present your work with confidence.